Most developers don't realize Docker's default network blocks container name resolution. Here's the fix. To create a custom Docker network, use the Docker network create command followed by a name. For example, Docker network create my network. That's all you need to get started. Docker will spin it up and assign it a unique ID. You can list all networks with Docker network else to confirm it was created. By default, Docker network create uses the bridge driver, which is perfect for single host setups. You can specify a different driver with the -- driver flag. Other options include overlay for multi-host swarm clusters and macvlan for containers that need direct physical network. To run a container on your custom network, add the -- network flag to your Docker run command. For example, Docker run -- network my network Unix. If the container is already running, use Docker network connect followed by the network name and container name to attach it on the fly. The real power of custom networks is automatic DNS-based service discovery. Containers on the same network can reach each other by container name, not IP address. Plus, containers on separate networks are fully isolated by default. They simply cannot communicate unless you explicitly connect them. Create a named network, pick your driver, attach your containers, and get automatic DNS discovery for free. Try it in your next project and comment with any questions. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.